Hello members, welcome to today's episode of Fish Farming with Dewilos Fish Farm. We're happy to have you on board and we're happy you're joining us on this journey of learning and sharing our experiences. In today's episode, we would like to show you how to collect the eggs of your BSF. This is in case you want to hatch your eggs yourself. Your BSF have grown, they have not turned into flies, and they are trapped inside the love cage. These lovely flies will mate in mid-air and they require somewhere to lay their eggs. So what you use for doing that is you use what we call Eggies, those wooden planks you're seeing. They are almost the size of rulers. You go to a carpenter place, you get those wood made for you, and then you bring them to your farm. Once you have the rulers shaped like wood pieces made, you'll then have to piece them up together. Make sure the width is about 2 centimeters, their height is about 15 centimeters at most. Okay? So you're going to put them together to form the eggs. You'll get rubber bands and then on each of those wooden planks, tie a strap of rubber band around it. Once you tie them around each, you are going to get 4 pieces of the wooden planks and tie them together. The reason why you put the rubber bands in between the wooden planks is to create space where once you bind it together 4 pieces, there will be gaps where the solar flies can lay their eggs. It's a very easy exercise. The moment you've done, then prepare your smelly substrate. That is your market waste, food waste from the restaurant, food waste from your homes, from the hotels. Mix them up together. If you have some extremely ripe bananas, probably almost rotting, put them inside there. Then you mix it thoroughly well and add some maize bran on top of that. Mix all this together. Once you're ready, you mix thoroughly. You make sure you smash this food waste so that they're in smaller particles, and then you get the eggs that you made. Those wooden planks are combined. You lay them on top. Okay. That is Hilary, our farm manager. Is a very good expert in the production of eggs. So in this little dish of ours, I think we're going to take about 4 of them inside there. The purpose for putting these eggs on top of this tray, having food waste, is to enable the adult flies to be attracted to that area. What the flies do is they are very responsible. They figure out that they need to lay their eggs in a safe place, and also they need to lay them near where there is food. In the event that the babies have hatched, what do they eat? So this is why this setup is very good. The moment you finish setting up this, you'll get this tray having these dishes, the dishes having these wooden planks, and put them inside your love cage. The way you're seeing there, you see the space between? Those spaces are very important. They should be very small, just to enable the black soldier fly to insert its bottom right inside there. And once it is done, it will go back to surviving. Of course, remember, for them, they don't live for long. Once they're finished mating, laying eggs, they actually die. Within a space of 7 days, most of the black soldier fly adults will have died. So the process is very simple, it's very easy. And the moment you do this, put your eggs inside the nets, the love cage, and leave it there. Come back after 2 days and begin harvesting your eggs before you transfer them to the hatching trays. That's the process. It's easy and simple, and anyone can do it.